Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be showcasing this Generac diesel generator. This was a backup generator for a mechanic shop, one of the mechanic shops. It was taken out of service in 2005 and it's just been sitting in storage. Can't tell you too much about it there. Battery is dead, needs a jump box to turn over, and I'll demonstrate that real quick. As you can see, she'll turn over with the jump box, but I just can't get her started. Like I said, it hasn't really run since about 2005. The hours on this generator is 301 hours, almost 302 hours.